How to fix Instagram story not uploading. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram when story is not being uploaded. So sometimes when you try to upload a story on your Instagram, it simply won't upload and it keeps saying error has occurred. So in this video, I'll show you what the main reasons for this problem are and the way on how you can fix the problem. So first and foremost, check whether you have stable internet connection or not. So if you are not being able to upload a story, try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi, or if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. And now again try uploading the story. And if you are able to upload the story, that was mainly because of your internet connection. But if you are still not able to upload a story, go to your Play Store or App Store. And now in the search bar, type in Instagram. Now make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as if your app is not updated to the latest version, some features might be restricted, which may be causing your story to not be uploaded. So if it says open, it means that your app is updated, but if it says update, it means that your app is not updated to the latest version. So simply tap on update and then update it to the latest version. Now that you have updated your Instagram app to the latest version, try posting the story once again, and if you still can't post the story, there is one final way on how you can fix that problem. That is by simply going to your settings. After that, go to apps. Now scroll down and then locate Instagram. Now again scroll down and then go to storage. Now try clearing both the cache as well as the entire data of your Instagram app. Now once you've done that, again open your Instagram app and then log into your account once again. And now you'll surely be able to upload the story. So that is basically how you fix Instagram story not uploading problem. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.